Today we talk about how can you select disability on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on my Learning down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on your name. When you click on your name here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, keep going down, and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. So then you click here on account preferences here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on personal demographic information. Just switch into open video. You come here to disability here, click in select. So then here can you select here. So if you want to add yes I have here or no I don't have a disability, here can you select or prefer not to say. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.